southwest now. We still got lightning. It's just not letting up here. I think someone broke down. Yo, someone broke down, dude. Good luck. I was in the southwest of us, though. Good with big lights working. See some power plants or something. Oh, got a power plant just over there. Something. Big old building. You can see it. Wow! Wow! I got that. I got that. That was perfect right there. Holy cow, dude. Yeah, this one's very active still. And we got like another round coming too. Some down south here. I think that might have been my greatest catch right there. Some like a lot down south right now. So just film it a little bit. Try to film it here. I don't think I'm catching it. Yeah, I'm not catching it on my phone here. Wow. That was nice. Alright. Alright. Nice. Oh. Damn. 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 Good Lord. Holy cow, dude. It is going crazy all of a sudden. What is blowing us all over the place? Right. That's good. That was a good recording there. Nice.